Let's talk choices. What? In asking about preferences. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English learning journey. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of English conversation, focusing specifically on using the question word, what, to ask about choices and preferences. So, are you ready to expand your English conversation skills? Let's dive right in. To begin with, we use the word, what, to ask about someone's preferences. This helps us understand what the other person likes or prefers in various situations. For instance, we might ask, what is your favorite color? Or, what do you prefer, coffee or tea? The structure of such questions is typically, what plus auxiliary verb, do, does, is, are, plus subject plus prefer, like plus. Here are a few examples. What do you like for breakfast? What does she prefer, dogs or cats? These questions are inviting the other person to share their choices or preferences. As we progress, we can use what in more complex questions as well. Sometimes, we use what to ask someone to choose from a range of options. These questions might look like this. What plus auxiliary verb, do, does, is, are, plus subject plus verb plus most, least. Here are some examples. What do you like most about English? What are you least interested in, science or literature? These questions not only ask for preferences, but also rank them, giving us deeper insight into the person's likes and dislikes. Now, let's practice with some what questions for preferences. Try answering these questions. What kind of music do you prefer? What's your favorite cuisine? What do you like most about your job, school? Remember, practice makes perfect. So, take some time to formulate your answers and even think of new questions you could ask someone else. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of how to use the question word, what, to ask about preferences. Remember, the key is to practice, practice, and practice. So, go ahead, use these questions in your daily life, and see how much more engaging your conversations become. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Happy learning!